What's up guys, Isaiah here with YuGiOh Gaming, and today we were supposed to go to Knoxville for a 4-case tournament, but as you can see, it has snowed like crazy and they canceled it. Museum Games is amazing and they are hosting a free entry single case tournament at 1, so we're going to travel up there when the roads are clear and see if we can get a case today. Let's go. Alright guys, quick little update. So we're letting the truck warm up because it's frozen. We're gonna grab some food and then we're gonna swing by and pick up Luke, and then we're gonna meet Logan and everybody there and hopefully have a good day. As you can see, I am gonna be playing the 3-axis deck again. I made a couple changes to it, but hopefully it gives it the same success as it did last week. Let's go. Alright guys, we made it. We got Luke with us today. What's up, Luke?
What's up? I'm about to go 0-2 drop.
He's playing Flew Under, I'm playing 3-axis. When we find Logan, and then we'll update you guys.
Welcome to round 1. You have 40 minutes. You may begin.
Alright guys, round 1 is over. I 2-0'd my opponent. Logan lost against PK. What'd you play against?
Halfway to 0-2, baby. I played against your deck.
Played against 60 card deck. He lost. Did you get 2-0 or did you win 1?
I won 1.
He got 1. Luke hasn't played in a minute, so it's going to be an experience for him. PJ won, and yeah, I think everybody else won. So I'll catch you guys up in the next round.
Hey guys, so today I decided to play a fun deck since you know it's the winter. We brought back the Queen, Ray, she's back in my deck. She's followed by with the Princess, Water Enchantress. Shout out to Polly. So I'm playing Artifact, Sky Striker, Scythe Lock Turbo. Game 1, I played against PK round 1. I got destroyed. Didn't open any hand traps or going second cards. He won the die roll, Scythe Locked me. Game 2, I Scythe Locked him. Game 3, 18 going second cards in my deck. 40 card deck. So I should draw, 1. And all I needed was 1, and I didn't draw any. But I drew Gamma after you already got Griffin on board. Like that's my 6th card. My 6th and 7th card was Gamma Nip.
Emotional, damn it!
If I had that in my hand, I just won. But I didn't, so we're 0-1.
All right, I won round 2, so I'm 2-0. Logan, did you beat Blue Eyes?
I beat Blue Eyes.
Okay, I thought you lost to Blue Eyes, but Luke, did you win?
I won.
Did you win, Dalton?
I did win. I drew.
He drew.
2 of my opponents playing Virtual World. 2-0.
So we're all doing okay. I thought you lost to Blue Eyes. I was excited, but it's going okay. I played against Sword Soul. Yeah, I think that's it. We'll update you guys next round. All right, guys. So is that 4? Round 4 is over. I played against DDD. It was the only deck I was scared of, but I 2-0'd him, so we're still undefeated. Logan played against Despia. He won. It's not Blue Eyes. He didn't lose to Blue Eyes again. But did you win, Dalton?
I did win. I played against the 60 card Eldritch deck and Dweller Go Bird.
Did you win?
Yeah, I played against Flunder.
Flunder. Oh, his only loss is Tom. That sucks. But we're going undefeated today. I'm not losing, I promise. And Luke, did you win?
I lost, baby.
Yes, Luke sucks. He lost. But we'll get you guys up soon. Alright guys, still undefeated. We're going around 6, 2 more rounds left. Played against Sword Soul. My hand was just insane. Game 3. I got crossed out and call by, but he didn't open any hand traps, so it was really good. PG lost his X2. I don't know what Logan and them are. We'll update them. I'll update you guys with them when they get back.
Hey guys, I won. Played against Earth Machine. Took me to game 3 because I couldn't draw Ray, but game 3 we drew Ray. House entire board. Clean sweep. So what is this? Round 5? So
more rounds.
2 more rounds. Let's get it.
Dalton, did you win?
No, I lost to D, but I heard
No,
points in time,
you
baby.
played him.
Yeah, unfortunately.
All right, guys, round 6. We're at table 1. We got YuGiOh.
Yeah, your boy YuGiOh in top table, guys. So, yeah.
2 more rounds. Check out his YouTube. It'll be in the description.
Real quick, before we begin the final round, I want to take a second. Let us thank CM Games for hosting this
All right, guys. Swiss is over. I lost the round 6 to Sean. It was a very good game. I just couldn't play through nib. Last round I played against a BA player. Shout out to Clark. Table 4 and I won, so we finished today 6-1 in Swiss. We're going to top cut now, and we'll update you guys in a minute.
Hey guys, last round had to play against Dragon Link, one of my friends. Unfortunately, I had to beat him, but we're X1. Lost round 1, just slapped the competition with our broken Sky Striker deck. Reyes Bay.
I wonder if they do it like that with 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, guys, tournament's over. We got a box. Sean out here going undefeated, first place. I got 3rd. He's my only loss. Logan got 4th or 5th. We're gonna go get some food now, so we'll update you guys when we get to Red Robin. All right, guys, Red Robin's done. Everyone's heading home. It was a great tournament. It was a good turnout. We're gonna be back tomorrow, next weekend in Kentucky. But thanks, guys, for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.